Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. Simplicity, March 20th. These lessons we must also learn. But I fear lest by any means, as the serpent beguiled Eve through his subtlety, so your minds should be corrupt from the simplicity that is in Christ. 2 Corinthians chapter 11 verse 3. He who will observe simplicity in all his habits, restricting the appetite and controlling the passions, may preserve his mental powers strong, active and vigorous, quick to perceive everything which demands thought and action, keen to discriminate between holy and the unholy, and ready to engage in every enterprise for the glory of God and the benefit of man. The little ones should be educated in childlike simplicity. They should be trained to be content with small helpful duties and the pleasures of experience natural to their years. Childhood answers to the blade in the parable, and the blade has a beauty peculiarly its own. Children should not be forced into a precocious maturity, but as long as possible should retain the freshness and grace of their early years. The more quiet and simple the life of the child, the more free from artificial excitement and the more in harmony with nature, the more favourable is it to physical and mental vigour and to spiritual strength. Parents should, by their examples, encourage the formation of habits of simplicity and draw their children away from artificial to a natural life. Those children are most attractive who are natural and unaffected. The greatest teacher the world has ever known was admired for his simplicity, for he presented divine truths in such a way that even children could comprehend his words, and at the same time he drew the attention of the best educated, the deepest thinkers of the world. By the use of familiar illustrations, he made truth plain to the minds of the common people. In simplicity, he sowed the seed of the gospel truth in the minds and hearts of the hearers, and it sprang up and yielded a harvest unto everlasting life. His Christ's glory was in his simplicity. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God.